Hi, I'm Benjamin, and I'm doing a Death Star review. This is Han Solo in Stormtrooper outfit, right? Like that. That's how he looks from the front, and this is how he looks like from the back. Now, this is Luke in disguise, Stormtrooper outfit, and this is how he looks from the back. Now, this is Palpatine, the bad Palpatine, with his lightning. And from the back, this is Darth Vader. Wait, just put him there. And from the back, and we have Red Guard, and from the back, he has a cape, can't see his back, and there's no printings. Then there's another Red Guard, and Obi-Wan. This is how he looks from the front. And from the back, wait, no back printings. No, they're all falling down. This is Luke from the front, Jedi Knight, and from the back. Then we have Luke Skywalker, normal. And from the back. Then we have R2-D2 from the front and the back. Then we have Chewbacca from the front with handcuffs on, and from the back. Then we have, I don't know who that is. Wait. And from the back, he has some details on the back. And now, C-3PO from the front and the back. Then we have Princess Leia from the front and the back. Then we have Grand Moff Tarkin from the front and the back, only grey. Then the Death Star soldier, I think that's what he's called, and from the back, he's shooting C-3PO. Another Death Star soldier. We already had the other one. Then Mouse Droid from the front and from the back. Looks exactly the same. Then we have RQ. No, I don't know what he's called actually. And from the back, then we have a stormtrooper from the front and the back. Then we have, I don't know what that droid is called, and from the back. And we have another stormtrooper and this monster here. And now we're at the Death Star. So here, down here is actually nothing exciting, just here is where Luke swings over. And here's the thing, great detail. And down here is nothing. Then we have here where Obi-Wan is pulling these things down. And this is how this blue thing here falls down. Wait. It's not falling down right now. But when you do it, probably. Oh no, you need to pull this out. Yeah, I remember. Then you do this. And yeah. Then we have here, if you pull this, here the door opens and the elevator should be right now there. Or here is the Death Star soldier, gunner thing, and here are a lot of guns. Here is a robot with some weapons inside and a crane that can pick the robot up. Then here we are again. We don't need to do that again. Then now we're going from down here up to see the next level. Here is a ship. Here it can open up and somebody can get in. This fell down. Then if we push this or pull it, the door opens. Then here, are supposed to be the laser controls. Yeah. Then here, this opens the door of the jail. It's not there. And this closes and opens this thing there. So now we have Palpatine's room. Oh, something fell down there. These can move up and down, these blue things. And this can fall down, just like in the 6th part where Luke falls down. Now we did this room already, so let's go up here. Here is kind of the mouse droid's home, but this can, like, almost Palpatine's room can control these. Then here you can pull the elevator up. Wait, it's coming. There. You see that? Then here's some working stuff that can go up, and you can control hers. But now it fell down, so it doesn't work. This, yeah. And if you turn this, it goes up. And if you turn this, it goes up and down. This, you can do like this. Pull it out. Turn it around. And like that. Now for the last room. Here are just some weapons. I put them there. They don't originally go to the set. And here. And now this set number is the set number is 10188. The Death Star has 3,803 pieces. And now let's look at the box. Here is the gigantic box. So here, this is the back. It says some stuff that you can reenact from the real movie. And then here is how it looks like. And these are the characters. Well, not characters, but minifigures. There's just some stuff. And here's just some stuff there. And here's just Lego Star Wars. Now let's look. This is so big. Well, big, right? 62 pages of work. Here are the boxes where the Lego were in. Well, in the boxes were bags. Well, there are 4 or 5 boxes like these are in there. Yeah, and that was a review of the Death Star. Bye, and have a good time playing with it.